Finding your dream home may take some time, but can be found quicker with the right agent.
At 𝗦𝗙, we provide the best opportunities to purchase the perfect property.
Today we're excited to present this immaculate, extended and fully refurbished 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, semi-detached family home situated on Vista Way in Harrow.
Finished to a high standard, this through lounge comes with integrated speakers, modern lighting and engineered wooden flooring. All these elements complete the tranquility of this bright and airy space.
The kitchen is a gastronomic delight. Adding to the mix, you'll find tasteful and practical granite worktops, a waste disposer, and integrated fridge freezer, dishwasher, and microwave. There's plenty of storage and underfloor heating too.
The large garage has been converted to a useful utility room.
This extension can be used as an office, a playroom, or another reception. In addition, the property benefits from a downstairs bathroom with a floating toilet, clever storage, and heated mirrors, all surrounded by natural stone tiles.
Upstairs, all 3 bedrooms boast style, space, and comfort with the added benefit of fitted wardrobes with mirrors.
The luxurious family bathroom incorporates amazing features too.
Other bonuses include a water softener, garden with outbuilding, and parking for up to 2 cars.
Ideally situated, this property is a stone's throw from Uxenden Manor Primary School and Woodcock Hill Park.
With stunning interiors and modern features throughout, this immaculate home is a rare find and won't be on the market for long. We are the property experts that can make all the right moves for you.
If you want to step into your dream home, contact 𝗦𝗙 today.